Welcome to Linux Help. How to install Zabbix on Oracle Linux 9.3. Zabbix is an open-source software solution designed for monitoring various aspects of IT infrastructure, such as networks, servers, virtual machines, and cloud services. This tool efficiently gathers and presents critical metrics pertaining to network usage, CPU performance, and disk space utilization. Check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 9.3. Now install the MySQL and HTTPD services by using the following commands. Start and enable the MySQL and HTTPD services by using the following command. Check the status of MySQL and HTTPD services by using the following command. Both services are running and active. Install the Zabbix repository by using the following command. Next install Zabbix Server, Frontend, Agent by using the following command. Log into the MySQL console by using the following command. Create a database and set the character set and collation by using the following command. Create a new Zabbix user and set a password by using the following command. Grant all privileges on the Zabbix database to the Zabbix user by using the following command. Enable log_bin_trust_function_creators option by using the following command. Now exit from MySQL console. Import initial schema and data on Zabbix server host. You will be prompted to enter your newly created password by using the following command. Again, log into the MySQL console by using the following command. Disable log_bin_trust_function_creators option after importing database schema by using the following command. Now exit from MySQL console. Now configure the database for Zabbix server. Add the password in the configuration file by using the following command. Save and exit from the file. Now restart and enable Zabbix services by using the following commands. Now open the browser and search with the following URL. Now the Zabbix setup page has been appear. Here it checks for prerequisites. Need to configure database here, by entering your password. Then click Next Step. Set your server name here and click Next Step. Now check the summary, then click Next Step. Now the configuration has been completed. Now click Finish button to complete setup. Now the login page will display. Enter admin as username and Zabbix as password. This is the dashboard page of Zabbix. This is the process to installation of Zabbix on Oracle Linux 9.3. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.